Hi, I am Dr. Rasya Dixit. I am a dermatologist in private practice in Bangalore from the last 15 years. Our nails are actually present on our hands, fingertips to protect the hand so that we can increase the dexterity with which we do some tasks. Okay, like handling a pen. Without it, it would be a difficult job. But in women, it has become pride. It has become very, sophisticated to maintain your nails well. The problem with nail treatments, especially when nail become brittle, is with chronic exposure to water, which soaks and swells up the nail, which is a compact protein. And especially using of multiple detergents like household work, or when you're doing cooking, they could get stained with the various vegetable juices or turmeric. And with the use of multiple layers of nail polish removers and nail polishes, and even some nail treatments like nail extension, gel nails, could cause the nails to go brittle. Treatment of nails will involve eating a very good high protein diet and rich in biotin, rich in zinc, calcium, as well as in vitamin C. And these are the foods we should actually eat to make our nails more strong. And definitely avoid using detergents and using water over the hands frequently. So avoid frequent hand washing, avoid using detergents, and if you have to use detergents, you please use work gloves so that you can avoid them. And at bedtime, make sure that you put on your hand creams, and cuticle creams, which are now available in the markets, also help to smoothen out the cuticles, stop the gap from growing, which could allow the bacterial and fungal infections to enter into the nail. An application of olive oil, which is warm olive oil, over the nail area every day, morning and evening, followed by gentle massage on the nail area, helps to keep the nails looking strong and supple. Keep the nails cut short and avoid doing too many chemical treatments on the nail, and this should keep your nails looking very healthy for a long time.